In the meantime, the Nigerian government says the RTS S AS01 malaria vaccine is expected to be in the country by April 2024. The Minister of Health, Dr. Osagie Ehanire, who spoke at a press briefing in commemoration of World Malaria Day on Tuesday, says Nigeria applied for the RTS S AS01 malaria vaccine in the third application window for the vaccine, which ended April 18th, 2023. World Malaria Day is celebrated on the 25th of April every year to highlight, the need for continued investment, a sustained political commitment to malaria prevention and control. This comes after Nigeria failed to apply for the vaccine before the second application window, which closed on the 17th of January 2023. For more on this, we're joined by Irabor Okosun, founder of JoinTheCast initiative. Irabor is also a media entrepreneur. A warm welcome to you, Irabor. Good to see you. What's the significance of the setting of a day like this aside, World Malaria Day?
Good evening, Gbenga. Pleasure to be here. So it's like a relentless sticky note that needs to be in front of everybody's faces because it's a serious issue that accounts for 60% of outpatient hospital visits, and it's something that it's not rid of yet because Nigeria is a tropical society. We're always on the move. Our society isn't that type of society where things can be close-ended. So we need to constantly always keep putting that message out there. It's not only about just World Malaria Day. It should be a general thing throughout the year where the government is focusing on trying to eradicate or putting measures in place to at least prevent or curb or do something, whether it's curative or preventive. I don't think we're doing enough. Yes, there are great strides that we've accomplished thus far, but it's something that we need to get rid of immediately because it's affecting the GDP and all that. Yeah.
Now, Irabor, malaria has killed hundreds of thousands of people every year, mainly in Africa. Why has the disease remained prevalent, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa?
Yes, because of our weather. It's hot. Malaria parasite thrives in that type of weather. And also the environment itself. We don't take care of our environment. You have gutters that are not cleared. Even when they clear them, they put them on the roadside. There's no coalition, there's no togetherness in trying to put our society in order, because once the society and the environment isn't, in shape, several things happen, whether it is Lassa fever or even malaria and all those things. So our weather has a point to play, but that doesn't mean that we can't make things happen regardless. So there's a bit of corruption involved because you wonder why such a disease hasn't really hasn't really been curbed to a certain degree. So there's no pointing of fingers or anything. This is a situation where we all just need to band together and sort it out immediately.
And talking about sorting things out and dealing with this malaria parasite, some good news here. The first vaccine known by its lab initials, RTS S, has demonstrated it can significantly reduce malaria in children. Is the eradication of malaria in sight for you with this latest development?
Yeah, any development is welcome. This is a good step. Children are greatly affected, and if we can minimize that, those numbers actually, it's a good thing. But with those types of news stories that we hear, the RTS S, vaccine being present and it doing something for children, yes, you still have the other population, adults, pregnant women, and just general youths. It affects everybody. So what are we going to do for those people? I don't want us to bring just a little lifeline, then move on to the next 5 years, then bring another little lifeline. This is something that we need to attack on all fronts at the end of the day. So yes, it's a good first step. Let's see how that pans out, because when you have new vaccines, you have to really test and be sure and be certain so that it doesn't have complications beyond what you're even trying to attend to.
Thank you very much, Irabor Okosun, for your time on NC Continental Prime. We appreciate your contribution. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thanks, Gbenga.